Barely 17, world already tried to break me. I was angry, lost, thought I had it figured out. Didn't see the love you gave, didn't hear your voice shout. You held the house together when the lights were cutting off. You wiped my tears while pretending you were strong. Different fathers, same struggle, you carried every load. Took the blame for storms you didn't even cause. And I remember nights you cried behind the door. I caused you pain you never deserved, that's what hurts me more. Now I look back and finally see the truth. A woman raising kids alone is doing work meant for two. No matter what I did, you never walked away. I owe you everything, and all I wanna say, you've always been my strength. And I'm grateful every day. Mama, don't you know your love? Sweet woman, you're the one we rise above for. Mama, don't you know your love? You've always been my strength. You've always been my strength. You've always been my strength. Life wasn't fair, and it showed us early. No father in the picture, just memories blurry. Anger in my chest, I was searching for a guide. Fell in with the streets just to feel justified. Made my own money hustling just to see you smile. Pay the bills so you could finally rest a while. You come home late with tired eyes, worn thin, but still cooked a meal with nothing in the kitchen. Turn scraps into blessings every holiday. Turn chaos into comfort in your own quiet way. Raised 2 wild kids on your own unbroken. Held us together with prayers unspoken. There's no gift big enough to repay what you gave. So all I got is love, and I'm giving it today. You've always been my strength in every single way. Mama, don't you know your love? Sweet woman, you're the one we rise above for. Mama, don't you know your love? You've always been my strength. You've always been my strength. You've always been my strength. I pour a little out now just to honor you. Through every storm I could always lean on you. When I felt lost, your words put me back in line. When I had nothing, your love was still mine. Every child a memory, every sacrifice. You gave us hope even when you paid the price. And though I messed up, though I acted crazy, I thank God every day that you raised me. Your honesty, your courage, your grace, your truth are the reasons I stand tall. Living proof, if I could take your pain, I'd trade places today. But all I can offer is the respect I now pay. No matter what I earn, no matter what I gain, my plan